Looking for a highly equipped SUV with superior functionality and every luxury option you could possibly imagine? You've come to the right place. Take a look at this 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited X in diamond black crystal pearl. With BI-XENON HID headlamps, adaptive cruise control with stop, sport hood, 20-inch granite crystal aluminum wheels, black lens tail lamps, granite crystal exterior badging, keyless enter and go, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted shift levers, 8.4-inch display, navigation, park view rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, select terrain system, blind spot and cross path detection, SiriusXM satellite radio, dual-pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 5.7-liter HEMI V8 engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 3046A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.